Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's episode, we will learn about the heaven of Shaddad. Shaddad belongs to the progeny of Ad, and he was a king of great magnificence and majesty. During his time, he united all the kings under his flag and made them his subservient and obedient. He had heard about the heaven from many prophets. Instead, with his rebelliousness, he wished to build a heaven in the world. With this intention, he built a mega city whose places were made with silver and gold bricks. Pillars of rubies and emeralds were erected in these buildings, and floors were paved with similar material. Beautiful pearls were spread in the place of pebbles. Flowing streams having jeweled beds were arranged in the vicinity of every palace, and various types of trees were planted for adornment and shade. He arranged every article of comfort and luxury of heaven according to his imagination in this city. When this city was completed, King Shaddad embarked towards the city along with his monarch. When he approached nearby, a terrifying sound echoed from the skies. By which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala killed Shaddad along with his peers, and he could not even see his self-made heaven. During the time of Sayyidina Amir Muawiyah, Sayyidina Abdullah bin Kilaba Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu reached the city through the desert of Adan while searching for his lost camel. He witnessed all the decors and luxuries of this city but did not find any habitant in it. He took some pearls from there and departed. When this news reached Sayyidina Amir Muawiyah Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, he called Abdullah bin Kilaba and inquired everything from him about this occurrence. He revealed everything that he has witnessed. Afterwards, Sayyidina Amir Muawiyah called Sayyidina Ka'bul Ahbar and asked him, "Does any such city exist in the world?" He replied in affirmation and informed that its mention has also been made in the Holy Quran. This city was built by Shaddad bin Ad, but they also perished by the divine torment, and not even single person from these people could survive. He further revealed that during your time, a Muslim having blue eyes, short height, and a mole on his eyebrow will enter the city while searching for his camel. Meanwhile, Abdullah bin Kilaba arrived. Seeing him, Sayyidina Ka'bul Ahbar Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "By Allah, the person who will see the heaven made by Shaddad is this very person." The Holy Quran mentions the people of Ad and other impudent people in the following verses. "Did not you see how did your Lord deal with the tribe of Ad and the tall giants of Iram, like whom no one else was born in the cities, and the tribe of Samud, who hewed rocks in the valley, and with Pharaoh, who used to severely torture those who rebelled in the cities, and who then spread a lot of turmoil therein. Therefore your Lord struck them hard with the whip of punishment." Here we learn a lesson that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala extremely dislikes transgression and arrogance of people. Therefore, it is the tradition of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that every arrogant and transgressed nation that try to spread insolence, oppression, and chaos in the world, the wrath of Allah struck them with torment that ruined and destroyed them. Shaddad and the people of Ad became the victim of the divine wrath due to their insolence and arrogance. When their oppressions and tyrannies exceeded to such an extent that every particle of the world bubbled up due to their sins and misdeeds, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala destroyed all these tyrants, oppressors, and erased them from the pages of history like an incorrect word. Therefore, we should learn lessons from their climax, failures, and their subsequent destructions by divine torment. The sole aim of quoting such events of destruction of these nations by the Holy Quran is that the believers of the Holy Quran listen to these incidents, take heed, and remain fearful of Allah. It is mandatory for the Muslims to recite the Holy Quran extensively, read its translation, and take heed from the destruction of these nations. One should always keep seeking pardon and repentance from Allah, and should always protect himself from all sorts of wrong beliefs and misdeeds. One should continue striving for virtuous deeds and should not boast upon wealth and riches. One should always observe modesty and humbleness whilst maintaining the fear of Allah, and wherever possible, one should stay persistent in performing the good deeds. Wallahu huwal muwaffiq.